Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I'm going to attempt to fix the problem with Project Sulk, my R53, and let's hope it's the best case scenario of just being the timing chain tensioner. Otherwise, I didn't even want to consider otherwise. I've watched some videos saying you can change the timing chain tensioner through the top of the engine, but yet I've got opposite opinion from proper mechanics saying you need to take off the wheel arch liner and get to the area via that route. I'm going to try the quicker method, which might be more fiddly, and try and go for it at the top of the engine bay. Let's see, can I do it? Will I fail? Most likely, but keep watching. So, after all of that trying to get to the timing chain tensioner bolt, I didn't really need to in the end. I turned the engine over again. Yep, wasn't making a death rattle. I didn't even think it was the first time. sounds like there's an issue with one of the pulleys that is being controlled by the serpentine belt. Now, I don't know which one that is. I don't know if it's the alternator. I don't know if there's an issue with the supercharger itself. It's a very squeaky, irritating sound. So I'm going to take the car for a little 10-minute shoot about and just see if the sound goes, if it comes back, if it gets worse, and go from there, basically. So the car isn't sounding that good. It doesn't feel like I've lost any power, but I haven't really gone anywhere fast enough to really notice if it's losing any power. I'm just going to take it around the block because this could be something really bad. Part of me, for some reason, thinks it could be the supercharger, but I had the supercharger service like 3,000 miles ago, and there wasn't any issues reported, and I haven't noticed anything that someone had the car. So we'll see. Just undo a window. That's not good. Not even going to be gone for 10 minutes. There's something not right. Not good at all. R53 life there. Yeah, that's as soon as I got it into second and went down the hill, there's that clicking sort of vibration started happening. So that seems like a complete fail. I don't know what's wrong with it. It sounds like something's rattling away, but it doesn't sound particularly engine based. As you can tell, I was chatting to my neighbours there, and they you know, they don't think it sounds engine based either. So back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. Well, maybe you've enjoyed this episode, and if so, watch more, please. There are more that are more fun than this episode. And yeah, subscribe, turn on notifications, and until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.